So we still have our stain. Yes, there it is.
Yeah, you can see it.
It's there. Okay. So I'm going to try Goo Gone. Now, I do feel this is important. It does say on the back of the bottle, do not use on silk, leather, suede, rubber, faux stainless steel, unpainted drywall, unfinished wood surfaces, and unsealed stone. However, this is scrap, and, well, we just don't care what we do to silk. So we're going to spray some Goo Gone on it. And let that sit for a bit, because it actually says on there, on the bottle, on the instructions, pre-test on inconspicuous area while scrap is inconspicuous. Apply Goo Gone to mess. Allow a few minutes for Goo Gone to begin working. So that's where we're at now. We're going to let the Goo Gone work and see if it takes care of the rest of that stain.
Okay.
Where the Goo... Are we recording?
Yes.
That's where the Goo Gone is kind of soaked in right there. Let's see what happens. Probably going to need some Dawn to help rinse out. Oh yeah, that's definitely it's an oil-based compound of some sort. I don't even know what is Goo Gone, but it's an oil-based compound of some sort. I'm kind of liking it. Looks like it's pulled it out.
Now we just got to see if we can get the Goo Gone off of it.
I trust Dawn for all of that, but we'll see what happens. Promising. Got a good patch of sunlight here. That looks very promising. Well, we're gonna let it dry first because sometimes things will show up that's dry that wouldn't show up wet. But I'm liking the Goo Gone. Although, again, as a reminder, it says on the bottle, don't use on silk. And, well, we know how I feel about that, so I did it anyways. We'll see what it looks like when it's dry. I'm gonna use the towel that it was soaked in Goo Gone on to dry it with. So we'll let that dry there, and we'll see what it looks like in an hour or so. Alright. Well, good news and bad news. So the good news is the Goo Gone worked, and the stain is gone. Bad news is we definitely have some color fade through here. And it's very, very hard to see. I actually didn't see it against the light. I saw it against shade, and I realized there were different gradations in color. See it here? All along here. Right where the Goo Gone was.
Yeah, I gotta hold it at the right angle.
It's a very slight discoloration, but it's there. Now again, to be fair, it says on the bottle, right there, do not use on silk. So I do not blame the Goo Gone. It was totally me experimenting. But I have to call it a fail because it damaged the silk. It did cause color bleed, so it didn't work. So I'll have to revisit this experiment next week and see if I can get different results with a different adhesive remover. Not Goo Gone, not baby oil, not Dawn. Got something on the way we're going to try next week.